The easiest way to start affiliate marketing in 2024, step-by-step training for beginners. My name is Richard Hairston, and that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Now, if you've been struggling to make money online as an affiliate marketer, I want you to watch this video until the end, because you're going to see how simple it is, how easy it is in order for you to get started as an affiliate marketer today when you click the link below. And I'm going to walk you through the process on what I do and what other members who are using this system does in order to get the results. So with that being said, let's go ahead on and get started right now. All right, so the system we're going to be using for our affiliate marketing business is the OLSP system. Okay, they have been around for over 5 years, so they have a great track record of being, in business for a long time. And those are some of the affiliate programs that I like to be a part of. This program also offers 2-tier commission, but we're not going to talk about that right now. I just want to get you started with the basics so you can see how this works and how it can help you. So I'm inside of my back office right now. If you look over here to the right, you see I've earned $190.79. Okay, if I go over here to my commissions and I just look at your commissions, then you can see right here, okay, all of the commission that I've earned over here and things. Now, I've been in this one since November, I believe it was. So those are some of the results that I've gotten with the system. As you can see up here at the top, $190.79. But now let's look at some of the results that other people are having. When you join the Facebook group, you're going to see these results as well. And we want you to post your results as they come in as well, okay? So we're inside of the Facebook group. This is Wayne Crow, the creator of the system. And if we go down through here, you'll see people buying clicks from Wayne's traffic. You received $1,064.84. If we scroll on down through here, we got new members coming in. They're enjoying the post. To all members, don't give up if you haven't signed up anyone yet. If I'm able to sign up anyone, should be able to do it too. $81.40. We just keep going to start posting Facebook group to gain traffic. Wayne again. Let's go on down through here. Another earning right here. We have some beginners in here as well who've earned. So you just want to go through this group, new member. You just want to go through this group, and read the results for yourself. If I click over here on recent media, okay, you can see it right here. Everybody that's earning, people are earning income, so it's coming in for people. It works if you actually put the system to work for you, okay? So it's just that simple, and I'm going to show you right now how to actually get this done. So when you click the link below, you're going to come to this page right here. Unlock the one link you need to rake in regular $270 paydays on total autopilot. You want to watch this video right here, and if you want, you can read the page. That's totally up to you, but I could watch this video. But once you get started, okay, you're going to click this button, and your investment is only $7 one time. That's it. If you decide to upgrade to some other products later on, but we want to just get you started right now with the $7 so you can start getting results. And here's what happened. When you invest your $7, anyone who you share this with, when they join, you earn $7 for every person one time that continues to join. So if you get one person, to join, you have made your money back. You've earned your $7 investment back. But you don't want to just get one person. You want to continue to share it. And I'm going to show you how to share it. So what you're simply going to do is click here, and you're going to put in your email address here, and you're going to go to the next step to get started. Okay, if I just put in, like I say, another email address, I'm going to put in that one, and then it's going to continue to step 2. And once you get there, you just want to fill out your name and email and your information here, your card. Go ahead and get an investment of one time $7. Once you get in, okay, and you get everything set up, your password and email and all of that set up in here, you want to come to your back office. This is going to be your dashboard, okay? In your dashboard, what you want to grab is what we call your promotional link right here. The OLSP system link. What this link does, okay, You're going to share this link and everything is taken care of on the back end. That's all you have to do. The emails are set up. Wayne does the emailing. You getting them in the group. All the training is done for you. That's going to take your people through the process. So you just want to copy this link right here, okay? And it's going to say successfully copy. Now, the most important thing is getting traffic. How are you going to get traffic? So once you get in here, you're going to have a certain amount of products. You're going to have the mega link product. And you're also going to have the Facebook 101 product, and you're going to have the traffic fast start. Okay. And there's another one, the OLSP user guide. So you're going to have that, and I think the comment dominator pro, but we're not going to worry about that. The only thing we're going to worry about is the Facebook 101, and I will come back to that in a minute. But what you want to do is actually come over to commissions, click on commission, then come to commission generator, then promote evergreen offers. Okay. Now you're going to have some links over here as well, but don't worry about these links. What you want to do is click on BizHop Funnel or the side hustle. Click on BizHop Funnel link right here. It's going to open up in a new tab. Now what's going to happen, you want to scroll down. You can watch that video there, but you want to scroll down till you come to, you're going to see emails. These are emails. If you have a list, then you can go ahead and start sending out these emails. All you do is copy and paste the email and add your link. Okay. But what you want to do, we're going to start you off with free traffic. If you're on Facebook, okay, this is the simplest way to do it right now. We give you Facebook posts that you can automatically put into your Facebook. You don't need to change anything. Okay. You can just go down through here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. Go ahead on, click the one that resonates with you. You can just start with the first one and work your way down. It doesn't matter. Okay. What you can do right now is, if I click on this one right here, you're going to see the entire post. So what you can do, first of all, I'm going to copy that. And then I'm going to come over. Well, let's just copy everything. We're going to copy all of this here. We're going to come over to copy, right click, copy, come over to your Facebook profile and create a post. Okay. And you're going to paste that there. That's it. You can put in a few emojis if you want to. It's totally up to you. But if I just click here, and maybe if I right click, say an emoji, if I want to put like, I don't know, a smiley face with a $sign there. Okay, you can put some emojis, some check boxes here and things of that nature. So if I come over here, tab over one, tab back, if I do emoji, again, I come over here and let's see if we can find one. I think it's going to be here. Boom, check. Okay, just like that. That's all you have to do. Okay, you can go down to the next one and do the same thing. Put in an emoji there, and you should have them right there. Boom. And just go down through there and check each and every last one of these. Okay. And then at the end, there's going to be a call to action. Okay. Now what you want to do is maybe put an image of yourself. Okay. Let's see if we can find an image. So I can scroll through my images and find an image of myself if I want to put that in there. And I'm not going to be too long with this. I'm just going to choose. I'll choose this one right here. Open it up, and boom, that's it. You're going to put the image in there. If you, like I said, you want to do some highlighting of, put some emojis in here, then you can do that, you know, to kind of liven it up a little bit more. Now, then you go ahead on and click next. Okay. And then you're going to post this to your wall, okay? Not a fan page or anything like that. You're going to post this to your wall. Next, what happens is once someone asks for information, okay? When they ask for information, you're going to simply send them. Remember, go back to your dashboard. You're going to send them this link, copy it, okay? And then you're going to come over here, and I'm not going to post this right now because I've already made a post about it, but I'm going to delete that. Whenever someone comments on it, you can come over to your messenger. Let's just say I'm gonna go to messenger. I'm gonna open up the whole thing. And inside of Messenger, when someone requests information, you're simply going to respond to them, thank them for asking for information, and then send them the link, okay? And let them go ahead on and get started with you. Some will, some won't, so what? Move on. So you want to do that. Also, as I said before, here are links that you can put in emails. This link right here, you can send them this link right here, but I would send them the link, okay? Because what's going to happen, I would send them this link. I'm going to open it up. So what's going to happen is when they click this link anyway, you're going to get their information, okay? So you don't have to worry about that. That information will show up under your leads and your customers. If they become customers, you'll see them as customers. If they are just a lead, you will see them as leads, okay? So that's how you do that. That's the simplest way to get started right now. Is simply getting started with the $7. Posting on your Facebook. Now, I know some of y'all are going to say, some people are going to say, well, I don't have a Facebook and this, that, and the other, and my friends and family. Don't worry about any of that. Just go ahead on, because we're also going to teach you how to segment your family and friends from business, okay? So before we move, before I close out this video, let me show you one more thing. Is when you go back to your dashboard, you want to make sure you go through this training, Facebook one-on-one training right here, okay? Click access to product and go through this training. If you don't have people on your Facebook, that are interested in affiliate marketing, this is going to show you how to do it step by step, adding friends. And it's going to show you how to do it step by step and what you need to do. So in order to get started, you just simply click the link in the description, come into your back office, copy your link, and start sharing it on Facebook. That's how you can get started with affiliate marketing in 2024, step by step. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Reach out to me so I can answer any question that you may have. I want you to like this video, give me a thumbs up on the video, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Click the link in the description. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.